This is probably my most loathed exercise, split squats. You can do it for quads or for hamstrings, glutes. So the way you do it, just start out body weight, work your way up in weights of dumbbells. So sit here like this, and push your leg about like, not straight, but that angle, that's where your foot's gonna go. All right, so keep your foot there. So stand up. You want to put your other foot up on the bench and slide it out a little bit to give yourself some balance. So about like that. You're going to have to adjust a little bit. If you want to do it for quads, keep your torso straight up and down. Just like that. Oh, it sucks, but it works. Gather yourself. Do the other side. Don't fall. Okay. 1, 2. There you go. Take a barbell. If you don't have a landmine thing like that, you can just back it into a corner. So just take one end of the barbell, back it in the corner. All right. You want to use small plates so you get full range of motion. If you use like a 45 plate, it's going to hit the floor too quick. So set it up like that. Important thing here is to lean your body forward so you're stretching the hamstrings and glutes. Pretty wide stance, whatever's comfortable, but it should be pretty wide. Okay, you're just gonna have to hold it one hand over the other. Okay. Okay, sit down easy. Okay. Alright, so next one kind of awkwardly sucks, but it's about the best daggone glute exercise there is. So either get a good audience or do it when nobody's around. I get used to it, I don't really care. People always want to say something. So let's do it. So this is where those big bumper plates come in because you want full-size plates. So whether you're using 10s, 25, 35, whatever, you want full-size plates so it's easier to get underneath of it. Alright, so make sure your bench is solid. If it's a metal floor or whatever, you probably need to put some weights behind it or back it up against a wall. Get your plate set up on here. Slide underneath of it. Alright, it's kind of, like I said, it's awkward. Use a pad. Alright. When you get up, you want to try to get your legs at a 90-degree angle. It's kind of hard to see where they're at when you get up. I think a lot of times mine are out, but just get it as close as you can. Alright, get that about centered. Now you just gotta get yourself up here. Alright, about like that. Try to get just your shoulder blades on the edge of the bench. All right, so like I said, 90 degrees on the legs. I think that's pretty close. The most important part of this is the top. You do want to get a good stretch, but focus on that extension. That's where the magic happens. All right, keep your neck tucked in. Don't go like this. All right, down, up. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze the butt at the top. The butt's doing all the work. All right, I get 10, and I do pulses like this. Keep it engaged. All right. Holy, come on. All right, careful coming down. Oh, it works. It works.